Chrome Mixer, pick your team break number 7, December 9th. This break is between Brian, Clark, Eric, Curtis, Eric Larson, Ernest J, Jim, JJ, Mark, Michael, Mike, Robert, Sean, and Tony. Thank you all for hopping in. This break, there's going to be a $121 true 101 bounty. You pull a true 101, you will receive $121 in free break credit. Put that live real quick. Get into this one. Start with the logo fractor base packs. Box. Good luck, everyone. Base coming up. Castro Story. Base. Cruz Pirates. Pittsburgh Pirates going out to Clark. Myers Bader. Base. And Bulls, Bruhan, Eli Morgan to close out those packs. Moving on to Chrome Hobby. 5 autographs should be coming up. Good luck. Stick together. Park. Zach Pop, Walker Buehler, Brandon Marsh, and Kyle Muller, refractor rookie for the Braves. Atlanta Braves going out to Jay. First autograph coming up here, Clinic. Jordan, Loop Bar rookie, Winker Muncie, Wisdom, TJ LeMahieu, Votto, Bomb, Marquez for the Phillies, Matt Vierling. Base auto. Phillies is Sean. Vierling, Lothar, refractor, Orioles. Base, Framil. Cal, Seattle, purple. 105 of 250. Seattle is going out to Clark. Cal rookie. 105 of 250 on that one. Tim Anderson, backside, Joe Ryan, refractor, Twins. Twins going out to Ernest. Coar. Turner, Abreu, Prism, and Logan Gilbert, refractor. Blue coming up. Demers, Veerling again, Lou Bob, Chapman, JD, Bryce Harper, DeGrom. For the Royals, Nicky Lopez. Blue. This one's numbered 127 of 150. Kansas City. Royals is Ernest. Second autograph. 127 of 150. Verlander refractor on the backside. Final pack in the front. 3 autographs remain. Should be seeing some more numbered cards as well. Jackson. Jed Lowry, Kyle Seager close out the front. Second stack, good luck. Judge. Base for the Yankees. 20 in credit somewhere. Yankees going out to Mike. J-Ram. Frazier. Muncy. Heasley be our second or third autograph. It's going out to Ernest back to back. Kansas City. John Heasley. Tatis refractor, Padres, San Diego. Padres Ernest. 2 autographs left in jumbo. We also have the logo fractor packs as well. Burger. Goldie. Got them both. Cardinals. St. Louis Cardinals is Michael. Take that. Bellotti. Now everything's almost free. Fairchild, Guerrero, Manaya, Wainwright. Definitely have a chance to get another one though. These things are really sticking. Arenado, Rivera, refractor Ernest. 3 to go. Green and a refractor autograph. Cal rookie. Reitz. Sammy Long, our green will be a White Sox. Adam Lynn, or Lance Lynn. 11 of 99, Green Wave. Chicago White Sox is Brian Adams. Lance Lynn, 11 of 99. Moose, refractor autograph coming up. Leave the Lester down there. For the Nationals, we got a Cabert. Cabert Ruiz. Going out to Tony. Refractor, 445 of 499 on that one. John Lester, refractor as well on the backside. One final autograph left in jumbo. Goes Reyna. Seth Beer. Matt Manning, Gosman, Soto, Duran, and Kowar. Refractor. Final pack coming. Should have some ink. Closing with tell. It's kind of like sticking together a little bit. This one's really sticky. Zach Thompson, something behind it. Zimmerman, Mountcastle, DeGrom, Happ, Lynn, Bryce Harper, Clement, Tatis, Jordan, and base autograph for the Rangers, Yanni Hernandez. Texas. Rangers going out to Ernest. Final card out of Jumbo, another Cabert refractor. Hernandez, Cabert. Moving on to the logo refractors. Chance at autographs here as well. Good luck. Pack 1, we got a green on the backside. Mitch Haniger, Correa, Velade, Votto, rookie for the Rockies, Velade. This one will be numbered 10/99. Colorado Rockies is Ernest. Green Rook, 10/99 on that one. And final pack coming up. Good luck. We got something sticking on the backside. Austin Riley, Brandon Marsh for the Angels, Seager, Tyler Miguel. It's gonna be a pink, not a rookie. Austin Riley for the Braves, 41/199 on the Riley. And Braves, Jay to close this out. Give me a second to do the recap on this one. 1 second, guys. All the logo fractor cards will get cased up. Some of the other cards cased up that's not in this recap right here. Miguel, Marsh, Austin Riley. That one was numbered 41/199. Velade, 10/99. Yanni Hernandez, Kowar, Cabert. Refractor 445/499. Lance Lynn, 11/99. Rivera, Goldie, Tatis, Keasley. Judge, Verlander, Nicky Lopez, 127/150. Ryan, Cal, 105/250. Lothar, Matt Bierling, Kyle Muller, and O'Neill Cruz. Thank you guys for hopping in, getting this one full. Whatever's on the board will be the breaks, the final breaks this week, so just work on trying to get those filled. I think Absolute's close, Certified's close. The only other baseball breaks, 2022 Bowman. 2 spots left in that one, and then I want to say there's one other break that I'm forgetting that's also up there. The random division break, 2 spots left in that as well. We'll see you guys on the next piece.